Hi, it's me again with CorelDRAW tips and tricks, and while that video is loading, and if you haven't watched these in order, you'll probably be a little bit lost. But I'm going to do something a little bit different here. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate of this guy and move it out of the way. Then I'm going to take our virtual segment delete key and delete these lines, which are going to be our cut lines. And as you can see, I'm just swiping through the two lines. A lot of times you can do that or click on the individual lines. And we're going to do something a little bit different than we did over here. We're going to take this font, go to Arrange, no, go to, Effects and Contour. We're going to contour in black so we can see the difference. But we're going to contour to the inside 0.04. And it actually did it to the outside. I didn't have it set. That's probably a little bit too much. Let's back up here. Let's go 0.02. That looks pretty good. Now we're going to break that contour apart, and we're going to nudge the black contour down, and we're going to make it something other than a hairline. Let's make it just a 0.75 of a point. Now we can nudge it back and nudge it back over. And now you're going to have an engraved word just inside the cut word. And there's a lot you could do with this. I mean, you could color fill this, but that will engrave because it's larger than a hairline. That might be a neat effect. It still looks like the wood, and it's going to be very readable. And just to see what it would look like if you engrave the whole thing, but then you're kind of taking away. That wouldn't be a bad look either. You could do some with and some without. So you're still going to have a hairline cut around it in the shape, but you're going to have the name engraved and maybe make it a little more readable. I personally like the lines. I think that would add some flair to it and wouldn't be so out, just out there, because you could engrave that without any problem. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.